everyone, this is Alexis and welcome back to No Measurement Eats. Today is 5-Minute Friday. I'm so excited to share this recipe with you. Today we'll be making spicy onion rings. Let's get into the video.
In order to make spicy onion rings, all you need is an onion. Yes, a yellow onion. Watch this trick. Boom! Now the onions are chopped into 1/2 to 1/4 inch pieces, and they have been separated. So I'm removing all of my onion rings from the cutting board, moving them into a separate dish. Here's a food processor. Feel free to use a blender if you would like, but they both do the trick. I'm starting off by adding in 1 egg to my food processor. And this is a serrano pepper. I don't feel like I made this spicy enough, but if you like it super spicy, add maybe 2 to 3 serrano peppers for that optimal flavor. I'm then taking about a cup worth of flour. I also made a mess by moving too fast, and please don't do that. So I'm wiping away my excess flour that has surrounded the entire food processor. I'm then taking a spoonful of cornstarch and carefully adding it into the food processor, not like I did with the flour. So please take notes. I finally have some buttermilk. Now don't go try making this yourself. I definitely want you to buy the buttermilk. It's so much easier to do that. So I'm just eyeballing and pouring in the amount that I see fit. Some people use beer, but I'm using club soda in this recipe. Both work. I actually prefer beer, but club soda will also do if you have that in your pantry. I'm then adding some roasted red bell peppers. Now, these ones aren't really for spice, they're more for flavor. So just try it out. I feel like it'll definitely make it to have that sweet, delicious, creamy taste. So good. Definitely try it. Now it is blending, or is it processing away? I don't know. I get my words confused sometimes. So now I'm checking the consistency. You want it to be a creamy consistency and evenly chopped or dispersed, whatever you want to say. So definitely make sure that you continue to keep it in the food processor or blender. I'm now adding in some pepper. Probably not a good idea to just pour it in there, so definitely grab a spoon and portion it out like I did the salt right there. Now, the time to assemble. So I'm taking my batter and I'm adding an onion into the batter one at a time. Don't try to do too much or move too fast, just do it one at a time. I then am adding my breadcrumbs all over the onions, and these are panko breadcrumbs. I think they're Japanese style. I don't necessarily like them that much, so feel free to use whatever breadcrumbs you would like. These are just the only ones that were available in the store. Limited supplies due to COVID. So now I have done all the work and assembled some of the onion rings, and now I'm adding them to my oil. This oil has probably been sitting on this stove for around 5 minutes on medium high, so it's been heating up a little more than I would like, so these cooked really fast. So just definitely make sure that you have a good control to your oil. Nonetheless, they taste delicious, but if you really want that delicious golden brown flavor, make sure that your heat is on the appropriate temperature and your oil isn't too hot. So now I'm flipping, and voila. Now time for the sauce. I've squeezed juice from 1/2 of a lemon. I then added a few squirts of mayo, and then I'm adding sriracha. Sometimes I put garlic in this sauce, It's really good with garlic, so definitely try it either like this or with garlic. I'm whisking away all of the chunks. This took, no lie, a good minute to do so, but it's definitely worth it. I really like this sauce. Now time for plating. These onion rings are so oily, delicious, crispy. And honestly, I've only made this recipe maybe 3 or 4 times in my whole life. So they're not perfect, but they're super good. I definitely encourage all of you guys to try new things, try new recipes. Even if you aren't an expert on them, definitely try it, make it your own, customize it, and it'll be so delicious. Me and my husband are tearing these up, so definitely give it a try. Write in the comments down below any things that you think that I should have added or taken away. And yeah, hope you have a great rest of your day. Love you guys. Bye.